Here's how to make Urban Plate's perfectly roasted Brussels sprouts with turkey bacon. Start out by washing and draining Brussels sprouts. Slice an onion, and then mix them together. Transfer to a baking sheet and add olive oil, pepper, and salt. Bake for about 15 minutes, and in the meantime, mix chopped turkey bacon, olive oil, and garlic. 5 minutes before the Brussels sprouts are ready, sauté to a crisp. Take the roasted Brussels sprouts and add them to the pan. Sauté for about 30 seconds and then add lemon juice. Toss to coat. And there you have it. Perfectly roasted Brussels sprouts with turkey bacon. Here's a recipe for you to screenshot.